Hey everyone, I want to show you a nice trick that I use to create my recipes based on how I want them. So at the top, I wrote down that 1 pound equals 454 grams because I like to go by the pound. It's easier to calculate and it's easy to measure for me. But I use what we call baker's percentage. Now, baker's percentage, using grams and kilograms and milliliters, it's easier than it sounds. And so I want to teach you. So because I use 1 pound, we take what we call the total flour. And that's going to be 454 grams. So all of the ingredients, water, sourdough starter, and salt, are going to be calculated based on 100% of the flour. And since we have calculators, it'll be easy. So if I want, let's say, 70% water, all I'm gonna do is take 454 grams times 70%. And that number is gonna get me around 319 milliliters of water. And so we have 70% of 100 grams or 100% of the total flour. And you can just do that going down the line. Starter is a good 25%. So 454 times 25% will give you 114 grams of starter. And always, as a rule of thumb for salt, I always like to use 2%. So the same thing, 454 grams of the total flour times 2% salt. And that gives me around 10 grams, and that's 2%. So anything that you want to make, even if you add inclusions like cranberry and walnuts, you always multiply it based on 100% of your total flour. When you get that right, you can create any recipe you want. I hope that helped you in your journey and accelerates you into whatever you're trying to do. Thank you.